We are discussing about the resistance projection welding. In the resistance projection welding, there are two electrodes. These electrodes are available in the form of plate. This is a moving plate and it is a fixed plate, and the projections are provided to the plates also. Here is the inserts we are provided to the moving plate, and projections are provided to this plate, and we have to join these two plates. So in a single stroke we have to do a number of spot weldings. So multi spot weldings, if we have to done the multi spot welding, in that cases we refer the resistance projection welding. Means such a projections are made on the electrodes, and with the help of that number of spots can be done in a single cycle. So this is a figure of resistance spot welding. This is a transformer. We provide a supply here, and with the help of this supply we pass current through it, and heat is created near this projection. Here the heat is created, and through that heat these two metals are joined. So in this way this welding is called as a resistance welding. Resistance projection welding. This resistance projection is welding is used where the multi spot weldings are required. So it can be used in a automobile joining of automobile sheets also, because projection welding is nothing but a multi spot welding. So this is the multi spot welding. So it is a form of multi spot welding in which number of welds are made simultaneously. The pieces to be welded are arranged between two flat electrodes. You know that the pieces are welded in two flat electrodes which exerts a pressure as the current flows. It exerts, these metal electrodes exerts the pressure over. So the projections are flattened during welding. Projections are flattened during the welding, and the limitations of these weldings are the materials like brass and aluminium. Brass and aluminium cannot be projection welded satisfactorily. Means we cannot use the brass and aluminium for projection welding, or brass material or aluminium materials cannot be welded with the help of projection welding. This is related with the projection welding, which is also called as multi-spot welding. A question may ask in the exam or in question paper that explain the projection resistance projection welding with diagram or suitable sketch. So this is related with the resistance projection welding.